Presenting the Kia 2019 Niro Touring. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 1.6L-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, AC power outlet, 1, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control and audio controls on steering wheel. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.